material. Incidentally, there is no importation of raw material for air separation. There is no raw material. We get from air, and air is split into its main components. Air is composed of about 70% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, the other 10% of minor gases such as argon and so forth. This plant splits them, and then we just capture the oxygen where we have a market. We will eventually also capture the nitrogen where if we can develop the market and argon. And it's a fixed cost plant, meaning while it is in operation, the cost to operate it on a daily basis will be the same whether you are able to sell the product or not. If you are not able to sell the product, you just throw it back to the air. So that need to balance our sales and our production capacity is very great. So temporarily, we will ship in liquid form to cut the cost, roughly about 50% of the production to Luzon, where we have our own existing market. But eventually, this plant will just serve Visayas and Mindanao. Maybe in about 2 years, we will have our own air separation plant in Luzon as well. Somewhere maybe in San Fabian. That was the third. What was your fourth one? Power, electricity. This is what the cost of an air separation plant is basically 70% electricity. It doesn't have any raw material. No variable cost. The rest, the 30% is just maintenance and so forth, labor or whatever. But electricity is the main cost. And your fourth? Fifth question?
I was asking, so how do we
Okay. In order to have competitive cost, as reduce cost as possible, we put up a solar farm at the back of this plant in our own land. There is now a 3.5 megawatt solar facility. This also started operating about 2 months ago. That's not enough because the facility needs about 3.2 megawatts, 24 hours a day. The solar farm only operates about 8 hours a day. So we are still studying on whether we should enlarge the solar farm or have a farm or have a power plant fueled by LPG, which we have in abundance because we are in shorter of LPG. But trust that your management is trying to do as much as we do. The margins for oxygen, nitrogen are much higher than the margins for LPG. But they are similar in the sense that both gases are contained in containers. And the containers are much more expensive than the container. Okay? But the most unique thing is that once the consumer has your container, we cannot go anywhere else to refill those containers. They have to keep coming back to us. So that's the rationale for the air separation. We started with this business about 30 years ago. We were nothing more than a sort of a squatter dealership. And incidentally, we are the first Filipino company with an air separation